Welcome! If you've been experiencing sluggish performance or unnecessary data consumption on your Telegram app, clearing its cache might be just what you need. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to clear the cache of your Telegram app, ensuring that it runs smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open your phone's settings. This is the starting point for managing your app data. Next, you'll need to tap on Apps or Applications. Keep in mind that the name may vary a little bit depending on the brand of your device. Don't worry, it's usually easy to find. Once you're in the Apps section, scroll through the list until you find Telegram. Click on it to open the app settings. Now, look for the option that says Storage. This is where you can see how much space Telegram is using on your device. Finally, tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right corner of the screen. This action will remove unnecessary temporary files, freeing up some space and potentially speeding up your app's performance. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can keep your Telegram app running smoothly. Remember to clear the cache periodically to maintain optimal performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.